In this video, I will show you how to add Uzox bot in Discord. First of all, open any browser and log into your Discord account. Then select your server from the left side. Now open a new tab and search Uzox bot Discord. You can see here Uzox bot by two different sites. The first one is by the official website. Just in case if its service is down, you can also use Uzox by top.gg website. So click on it and its website will open. Look for an invite button and click on it to proceed. On the next screen, click on the open invite link option. Select your server and click on continue. Next, review the permissions that the bot requests and then click authorize to give Uzox bot access to your server. Verify that you are a human. Then click on go to tutorial server or whatever is your server's name. You will be redirected to your Discord server where the Uzox has been added. Adding Uzox bot to your Discord server is a straightforward process that enhances your server's capabilities with moderation tools, entertainment features, and more. You can also see it at the right side. Click on it to view it. This will open up options to configure its settings, explore its commands, and integrate its features into your server. Now you can use it the way you want.